Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to gatekeep your threads from Instagram. And I know that sounds crazy because like, girl, what are you talking about? If you're posting on threads, more than likely you're trying to promote a business. But hear me out, okay? Hear me out. First though, let me explain what threads actually is because some people may not know what the app even is. So threads is a like classier version of Twitter, but made by Instagram or Meta. So it's a Meta app, just classier version of Twitter. It's more so for text-based conversations. There are some like videos and stuff on there, but like more so text-based conversations. And it's a great way to network. It's a great way to build your business. It's a great way to gain an audience outside of Instagram because we all know that Instagram is a very tricky app these days. And that is another reason why I want to make this video because I'm in the process right now of removing myself from Instagram and I want zero parts of that algorithm until I decide to be a part of that algorithm again. So I've decided for 2026 that I am ghosting the app. I'm not going to be on there. But one thing that I've noticed about posting on threads is that when you have, whether or not you have threads, as long as you have Instagram, you will get notifications from your friends who are on threads. And I don't want that for myself. I want better for myself in 2026. I want to genuinely gain a new audience. That's not even the audience that I have on Instagram. Because let's be real, those are old friends and family that don't really support you anyway, right? So I want a whole new audience and I want to be able to post freely and just, you know, really, really gravitate towards the people that are meant to be around me in this new season of my life. So I have figured out a way to change your settings to make sure that your posts are not being recommended to your raggedy friends on Instagram, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, pause, y'all. I am in the process of editing this video and I totally forgot to say like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm trying to do better this year with saying that. So if you're watching this video and you are ready for digital how-tos to make your life easier, whether it's video trainings at your pace or live trainings, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I got you. Let's jump back into it. Okay, so first things first, you want to open up the Threads app. Once you are in there, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. It will take you to this screen. Once you're here, tap the two horizontal lines in the top right corner. It will open up your settings. And this is where you click privacy. And then you want to tap suggesting posts on other apps. This will open up the section that will change the game for you. So if you do not want your post to be suggested to other users, click this. As you can see, it says, if your profile is public, your post may be suggested by Meta to users on other apps, so people can discover and follow you. Obviously, we know that Meta loves to change around where their settings are located, but this is where this feature is located for now. So there you go. So I know we talked about this earlier, but I want to make sure you subscribed. Did you click that button? Yeah? No? Okay, I'll wait. We'll give it a couple seconds. You got it? Okay, cool. Let's get back into it. So yeah, you guys, that's it. I feel like this is a great feature for people who don't want people to see what they're posting on other apps like Instagram and Facebook. Like, why are you pushing my posts to other Meta apps? Like, while I understand that is helpful for businesses and stuff, it should be turned off first to let you decide. But obviously they turned it on because they want to get more people to Threads. So it makes sense to turn it on in that aspect, but give me the right. You know what I mean? Like, turn it off first and then let me turn it on if I want to turn it on. But anyway, I hope that helps you guys. Let me know if you have any questions down below. If you are on the Threads app, let me know what you guys talk about on there. Like, if you guys have seen any traction in your businesses or just in creating relationships online and stuff like that. I've built so many relationships on Threads, you guys. Do not sleep on Threads. I say this all the time. I feel like so many people are stuck on like Instagram and trying to build on Instagram. You can build so much faster on other apps. And then push them to Instagram if you want to. But we'll get into that in another video. I hope this video helped. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.